I get DMs every single day asking me if red light actually works. Hey everyone, Dr. Dylan Greeney here, board certified dermatologist, and today we're looking at the Lumio red light and 4D current infusion device. It uses four powerful technologies: red and near infrared light, plus 4D current infusion designed to enhance product absorption along with facial massage. In this video, I'm going to break down the science in a way that actually makes sense. I'm going to show you who gets the best results, compare it to in-office treatments, and I'll walk you through step by step on how to use it. We're going to start with the science because that's the part that really matters. Red light is absorbed by an enzyme in your mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. This is called cytochrome C oxidase, and this is your skin's energy factory. When the enzyme absorbs red light, it increases ATP, your skin's main source of energy and repair. More ATP means stronger collagen production, better healing, better texture, and healthier skin overall. A recent publication in the Journal of American Academy of Dermatology confirmed exactly this mechanism. Red and near infrared light boost cellular energy in a measurable way. People who used the Laduora Lumeo saw 9.2% smoother skin immediately after the first use. 630 nanometers is the collagen and radiance wavelength. The Lumio uses 630 nanometer red light. This wavelength boosts fibroblast activity. That's the cells that make collagen. It improves fine lines, it brightens dull skin, and it smooths overall texture. When use was studied, they saw a 23% boost in radiance immediately. It also creates tiny good bursts of reactive oxygen species, but not the harmful kind, the signaling kind your skin uses to switch on repair pathways. And that's how collagen gets stimulated. The device also uses 850 nanometer near infrared light. This is the deep penetration for repair and inflammation. And that penetrates deeper down to the dermis and the tissues that influence wound healing. This wavelength has been shown to improve wound healing, reduce inflammation, increase microcirculation, and calm stressed or irritated skin. So if you're using retinoids and actives or have sensitive or redness prone skin, the wavelength is incredibly helpful. So now let's talk about the third technology in this device, the 4D current infusion. This uses patterned microcurrent pulses designed to mimic electroporation. And electroporation basically means it temporarily opens pathways between your skin cells so your serums can absorb better. Now, what this translates to is simple: better penetration of vitamin C, peptides, and growth factors, more ATP production, and light stimulation of facial muscles, and overall better results from your entire skincare routine. The currents are low and safe. There's no heat and there's no downtime. You also get a gentle lymphatic massage. This is perfect in the morning when your face is puffy or you didn't sleep well. It's simple, it's a fast way to depuff and smooth your skin. So if you're wondering if this device is right for you, here's who it benefits the most: people with early to moderate aging, fine lines, dullness, mild laxity, that morning puffiness we talked about, or the skincare fans who want the most out of their serums, and anyone interested in prejuvenation, meaning getting ahead of the aging before it really shows. Looking at research, people saw a 27% improvement in skin elasticity after 4 weeks of use. It's also great for sensitive skin because red light is non-invasive. It doesn't create heat or DNA damage. So let's talk about expectations. A device like Lumio doesn't replace laser resurfacing or microneedling with radiofrequency or deep collagen remodeling treatments. Those will always be stronger, more precise, and more aggressive, but also way more expensive. Where devices like this shine is maintenance. This is your consistent at-home routine 3 to 5 times a week. No appointments, no downtime, and no per treatment cost. Think of it like skincare fitness. The in-office procedures are the big heavy lifts. This is the daily gym routine that keeps your results going strong. So here's exactly how to use the device. First, you start with clean, dry skin, and then you apply 2 to 3 pumps of the 8-peptide activating serum to each area. I encourage you to apply the serum just before treating that area. Then you'll want to turn on the device. Treat each area: the cheeks, the forehead, the jawline, under eyes, and neck for 30 seconds each. You'll feel a gentle vibration and a subtle microcurrent tingle. It's very comfortable. The entire treatment takes 3 minutes. That's it. And you can pair it with other water-based serums like vitamin C, peptides, or other growth factors. You want to avoid heavy oils as microcurrent doesn't transmit through them very well. So here's my honest take. This is perfect for the skincare minimalist who wants one device that improves radiance, fine lines, and overall skin energy. But it's also perfect for the skincare fanatic who wants to get every last drop of benefit out of their serums and routine. It's a one-time purchase, it's non-invasive, and the science is solid. Red and near infrared light are effective, they're safe, and they're backed by dermatology research. So if you have questions about whether this is right for you, just drop them in the comments. And yes, I did put a link in the description for 40% discount that runs through December 22nd. After that date, my regular 15% code applies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.